This is Manoj Kumar Nalla, Assistant Professor of Botany, GDC Peddapelli. Today's class topic is Cyanophyceae or cyanobacteria. So, in this class, we will discuss about cyanobacteria, what is the cyanobacteria, structure of cyanobacteria, habit of cyanobacteria, reproduction of cyanobacteria, at the same time importance of cyanobacteria. So, now evolution. After 3.5 billion years back, the cyanobacteria is the first evolved organism on the earth. So, the first organism on earth is the cyanobacteria. Dominated are biogenic reefs. So, they evolved and a lot of formed biogenic reefs. During Proterozoic age of bacteria, they were widespread. Then multicellularity took over. Cyanobacteria were first algal member. So at the same time, we called cyanobacteria, that is the algal member, because cyanobacteria having prokaryotic cell nature. At the same time, the cyanobacteria possess photosynthetic aperturates and did photosynthesis and preparation of their own food. Cyanobacteria terminology division: Cyanophyta, cyanobacteria formerly known as blue-green algae. Cyano means blue color. Bacteria acknowledges that they are more closely related to prokaryotic bacteria than eukaryotic algae. So cyano means that is the blue color. At the same time, bacteria means it resembles to prokaryotic bacteria. So it's treated as algae, but the cell nature is prokaryotic nature. That's why it's called cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is a microscopic organism, very microscopic organism found in marine sediments and pelagic zone, freshwater lakes, soils. Some cyanobacteria members live in extreme environments like chemically high alkaline waters. At the same time, high temperature springs also these cyanobacteria present. Distribution of the cyanobacteria. So distribution: pools and ponds, freshwater, they distributed in freshwater. Example: Anabina, Revillaria, Cytonema, Gliotricha, Oscillatoria members. At the same time, some of the cyanobacteria species are distributed in sea water or marine water. Example: Dermocarpus, Trichodesmium. Damp soil. Some of the cyanobacteria living in the terrestrial members, it lives in damp soil: Anabina, Nostoc, Oscillatoria. Some of the cyanobacteria are distributed in hot springs: Crocococcus, Microcystus, Pomidium. So distribution. So endophytic. Some of the cyanobacteria living with plants with symbiotic medial, that is called endophytic. Anabina, Nostoc. Anabina symbiotic with Azolla, Cycas. At the same time, bryophyte member is the Anthoceras. So these are the endophytic. What is the endophytic, students? Endophytic means the cyanobacteria associates with plants in the living with symbiosis form is called endophytic. So some Anabina Nostoc members living with Cycas, at the same time Azolla, at the same time bryophyte plant Anthoceras. These are the endophytic. Endozoic. Some of the cyanobacterial members inside of the animals, that is the endozoic. Oscillatoria, Seminosylla. Cryophytes means very low temperature area called cryo. So they are living in very low temperature like snow, at the same time Arctic, Antarctic area. That areas they are distributed. That is called Cryophyta. Epiphytic. Some of the cyanophyceae members attached with the rocks, living on the rocks. It is called epiphytic. Gliocarpsa, Alphina, Colotrix, Parthenia. Cytonema myatrosis. A saprophytic. Some of the cyanobacteria saprophytes, they are living in the organic material. In loose-lying agrigofolius forms ball-like tolifidric cytonema. Some of the cyanobacteria member linked with fungi and forms lichen organisms. So in lichens, two types of organism present. One is the photobionts, second one is the mycobionts. Mycobionts belongs to mycology member. Photobiont belongs to Cyanophyceae algal member. These are symbiotic forms organisms. Importance. First organism to have two photosystems and produce organic material and give off oxygen to as a byproduct. So these organisms have two photosystems. First photosynthetic organisms are cyanobacteria. So through photosynthesis, these are gives oxygen is a byproduct. The oxygen formed around the earth. So this is the importance of cyanobacteria. The first oxygen evolved from cyanobacteria in the earth. So very important to the evolution of the earth oxidizing atmosphere. Cyanobacteria characters pigments. So cyanobacteria possess some pigments. These are chlorophyll A, phycobiloproteins, phycobiloproteins, phycoerythrin, phycocyanin. At the same time, allophycocyanin. So cyanobacteria possess two types of pigments. One is the chlorophyll pigment. Second one, phycobiloprotein. In chlorophyll pigments, chlorophyll A is present. In phycobiloproteins, three types of phycobilins are. One is the phycoerythrin, red color pigment. Second one is the phycocyanin, blue-green color pigment. Third one is the allophycocyanin. It is also blue color pigment. So the storage food of the cyanobacteria is glycogen or cyanophycin granules. So mostly all the plants, the food storage in the form of starch, but cyanobacteria stored the food in the form of glycogen or cyanophysin granules proteins. Cell walls. Cell walls possess amino acids, sugars. Next, a important phenomena observed in cyanophysin members or cyanobacteria, that is Guidico-phenomenon. It is defined as variation of colors in some cyanobacteria, change in wavelength of light, that is as falling the lights of different wavelengths. Cyanobacteria offers of different colors. So what is the Guidico? So appearing of light, absorbing of light, the cyanobacteria possess a different color. According to light, it appears different color. That is called Guidico phenomenon. So these phenomena is observed firstly by Guidico. So that's why we call Guidico phenomenon forms. So cyanobacteria thallus, you observe forms thallus, also called forms. Unicell, which is mucilaginous envelope. Colonies, some cells are aggregated and form colonies. Filament, uniseriate in a single row or multiseriate. Not true branching when trichomes are in one row. So filament are uniseriate or multiseriate. It is called trichome. There is no true branching in cyanobacteria. Trichome. This is the trichome. You see the uniseriate cells. At the same time, around the filament, the mucilage sheath is present. Layer of mucilage outside of the cell wall. This is the filament. It is called trichome. What is this? Trichome. Features. Mucilaginous sheath function protects cell from drying and involved in gliding. What is the function of mucilaginous sheath? It protects cell from the high temperature to prevent drying. At the same time, involved in gliding. Gliding is the one type of movement. So it's involving gliding movement. Sheath is often colored red, acidic, blue, basic, yellow or brown, high salt. Range of vegetable structure. Non-filament forms are single cell or palmellate colonies. Unicellular or spherical or oval shaped. Colonial forms are maybe different size and shape. These colonial form surrounded by mucilage sheath. So you observed anacids at the same time, Crocothrix, Cyanococcus. These are the unicellular forms. Unicellular forms you can observe. So Gliotheca, few cell colony, Cleosporium, hollow spherical, Aponocapsa, hollow spherical, palmellate colonies. These are the palmellate called microcystis, Eucapsis, Merispomopodia. This is Oscillatoria, trichomes, Lingvia, trichome. These are filaments of Cyanophyceae. Promoidium, Spirulina, Arthospora. These are the trichome. Rivularia bullata, like trichomes, like some small plants. Gliotheca colony, microcystis we observed, a single filament with several trichome. Cyanobacteria, Cyanophyceae, Nostacales, heterocyst, vegetative cells, mucilage and so on. So this is the Nostoc species. Nostocs trichomes are embedded in a mucilage sheath. This is the Cyanobacteria anabina species, a trichome having a light ovule cell. In between the cells, one large cell is present, is called akinete or heterocyst. Cyanobacteria, Cyanophyceae, Nostacales. Cytonema. Cytonema shows false branching. There is no branching in Cyanophyceae, but two trichomes embedded in mucilage sheath look like branching. These are the false branching. It is appeared in Cytonema. At the same time, Tolopithecus also shows false branching. This is one trichome. They are embedded in mucilage sheath. Look like this is the branch. This is called false branching. Branching in Cyanobacteria is false branching. Outgrowth of filaments adjacent to dead or specialized cells, filaments curves. True branching, outgrowth from cells that change their axis of division 90 degrees from axis of trichome. So we can see false branching in false branching in Cyanobacteria. Example, Cytonema. Cyanobacteria, Cyanophyceae has stigmomeals. They shows heterocysts. Reproduction. Cyanobacteria shows two types of reproduction. One is the vegetative, second one is the asexual. Sexual reproduction is completely absent. Vegetative modes of reproduction, cell division or fission, fragmentation. So cell division or fission by formation of septum from periphery to central region, one cell divided into two cells. This is called cell division or fission. Fragmentation, filamentous or colony breaks into small fragments of colonies. These small fragments or colonies rise into new plant. This is called fragmentation. Vegetative modes of productions, armogones. Only in filamentous genera developed by double concave disc between two adjoining vegetative cells. So you have what is the armogones in filamentous members? Adjacent cells having a hollow space, that is the concave disc formed to adjoining vegetative cell. So after that, the armogonium break up and the filament divided into two fragments. The fragment arises to two new plants. So this is you observe here the Armogonia with Armogonia present in Oscillatoria. After breaking this area, these two fragments are arised into two new plants. Vegetative modes of reproduction, pseudo-Armogonia present in some members, that is the Vestilla intercata. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction in Dermocarpa clavata, endospores. Endospores means the spores formed inside of the cell called endospores. Asexual reproduction observed in Chemosiphian culvata. Exospores means the spores formed outside of the cell is called chemosporium. Nanospores, very small spores formed inside is called nanospores. Actinides, actinide, thick-walled resisting spore is called actinide. Adverse condition or non-favorable condition, the cyanobacteria formed actinides. So actinides means cells are covered by a thick layer to avoid adverse conditions. This is called actinide. So heterocyst, thick-walled cell, hollow, looking larger than vegetable cells, provide the anaerobic environment for nitrogen fixation. That is called heterocysts. So due to the heterocysts, very useful to as biofertilizer. Cyanobacteria used as biofertilizer due to the heterocyst. So heterocyst characters large than vegetative cells, hollow looking, thick walled, doesn't allow atmospheric gas to enter, photosynthetically inactive, no carbon dioxide fixation or oxygen evolution. Formation of heterosystem triggered by molybdenum and low nitrogen. So nitrogen fixation, only cyanobacteria and prokaryotic bacteria can fix nitrogen. Of these two only, cyanobacteria evolve oxygen during photosynthesis. Important because nitrogenase is inactivated by oxygen. So enzyme involved, nitrogenase is an enzyme involved in nitrogen fixation. So nitrogen fixation through nitrogenase enzyme. The nitrogenase enzyme is prevented by, inactivated by oxygen. So this is the important thing. So in cyanobacteria, the heterocyst forms. In the heterocyst, there is no oxygen. That's why the nitrogen fixation takes place in the heterocystis. At the same advantage for cyanobacteria, can live in fluctuating environments of aerobic and anaerobic with light present. Cyanotoxins in cyanobacteria. Some cyanobacteria produces toxins. These toxins are the following types. One is the neurotoxin, block neuron transmission in muscles. That is the neurotoxin produced by Anabaena acetoria. Hepatotoxins, inbuilt protein phosphatase cause liver bleeding. Found in drinking water where the Anabaena acetoria nostoc presents in the drinking water pools or ponds. So swimmer's itch, linked by causes itches to swimming. Who swimming in the pools or lakes? In that lakes or pools linked by a present, the swimmers get itching. So this is spirulina. Another one, spirulina is the filamentous, common in lakes with high pH, major food for flamingo populations, commercial food source for human. Spirulina, Lynchbia Martin, releasing chemicals causing dermatitis. So spirulina is the very useful food for human population. The spirulina produced commercially in spirulina, it is high nutrition would having vitamin A, amino acids, at the same time rich proteins present. Some of the who suffer from kwashiorkor means lack of proteins, that patients takes the spirulina, they will recover. So spirulina is an important commercial product from cyanobacteria. Thank you. This is the today's class, cyanobacteria.